There's a lot of funny videos on the internet, but there's two that will make the not today. The first one is a cat playing the keyboard, which is probably the most disturbing thing I've ever seen, and one of the creepiest things I've ever seen. Like, you don't see that every day, and he's wearing the shirts. Let's have you see it. I can reenact this. You stupid piece of crap! Play the piano! Doom, doom, doom. This other one is Lindsay Lohan, I think. I don't know, whatever her name is. Well, someone fail. Yeah. Fall. Epic fail. And here's the vid, I guess.
Lindsay, they say you're pro! Oh!
Wait, this is the backstory of how she fell. Play the fucking stupid piano! You don't care! You gonna play it now?